Hello, my name is William, and I am a member of Team Panic Button, and this is one of the stages that I worked on for Project Redline. I'm doing a short video showcase for the art team to let them know like what I'm kind of thinking about design stuff for the stage here. So I'm just gonna click through the editor and kind of scroll around to stuff that I would like to be improved on to make the game look better. What I try to do myself is change all these surfaces here from a block mesh to a solid surface. So any like building materials or art things that you guys think would be a good improvement could work on these surfaces here. These are supposed to be mountains. I used a rocky material mesh and landscape tools to kind of build up these mountains. So all the mountain areas can be improved on if necessary. This is a generator. It can be made to look a little bit better if you guys have something to do with that. These are kind of like power poles that go from this section over to this pole here. I'm not sure if you guys are going to be digging into the enemies. I mean, they look good. I don't know if the art team wants to mess with how the enemies look. This is just a basic shack that can be improved on. I think this door here looks pretty good. Um, the breadcrumb system here looks pretty good, I think, and doesn't need to be improved on that much. If we go through this area here, you come into this open area. I don't know if this terrain here, if it should be made more like sandy and grainy, because it's supposed to be like a desert sand area before you actually go into the wharf area in the swamp. The texture here on this walkway, this can be maybe changed to like a plank or a wood material here. The swamp acid area can be changed maybe into a different material. I tried to change the materials on these buildings to reflect that the acid is starting to corrode the building. So again, that can be changed and made to look better. There's more mountain areas around the whole stage, which can be improved upon. This big security gate may be a different color for the security gate. When you go through the gate, there's actually a boss here. So the boss is just basically the same enemy from before, just a little bit wider. He looks good, but again, he can be improved on if the art team wants to mess around with that. This is supposed to be a loading bay. I kind of use just a metal material here on the outside to kind of give it the look of a loading bay. Obviously, players won't see this part of it. These are all the wire hazards that's up here on top of the stage. And I put a block up here to kind of show where the wires and stuff is hidden. So, yeah, this stuff the player won't see, but I don't know if there's any surfaces in here that can be improved upon. I kind of like how the floor looks. I like this material here. The flames, I don't know if the flames can be made to look more realistic or better. I just kind of used uh can't think of the word, sorry. A particle emitter and put it layered on top of itself and added hitboxes to make flames and different light sources that can be fixed and improved upon. I do like the moving platforms. The ice floor can be made to look a little bit better, maybe slippery, make it look like more of a ice instead of just a light blue kind of rolling water effect. The last room of the stage before you get teleported to the final ball, well, the final stage. I like how it looks. It has kind of a little arena look, and I did change the material on the wall here. But again, that can be changed to a different color to help the stage look better. But overall, what I would like is to kind of get rid of as much of the mesh looking stuff in the stage and maybe improve on how the mountains look for this level. Again, thanks for your consideration and thanks for your time.